2 effective ways to warm up your Reddit account using Scaloom. First, connect to Scaloom and open the Reddit Accounts and Warmup tab. Click Add Reddit Account, enter your Reddit username, and add your account. Once it's added, click Activate Warmup. Now open the Playbook section. Before doing anything else, check the browser safety panel. Everything should be green. If something isn't, fix it first. Once your environment is ready, you can choose between 3 warm-up strategies. Balanced is the recommended option. It combines both approaches to create natural account activity. Scaloom finds relevant posts, generates helpful comments, and suggests discussion posts that are likely to earn karma while looking authentic. The second strategy is support builders. Scaloom finds founders sharing their products or projects so you can leave thoughtful, non-promotional comments. It's a great way to build genuine relationships within startup communities while naturally increasing your karma. The third strategy is join discussions. Scaloom discovers active conversations where you can contribute meaningful comments, upvote valuable content, and occasionally publish discussion posts. This is ideal for building overall account history and general Reddit karma. Simply click the strategy you want, review the AI-generated comments or posts, make any edits if needed, and publish them. The goal isn't to spam Reddit, it's to build trust first.